Let's look at a good 15 minutes and see what the scalper rule can get out of a 15 minutes chart. Now we have seen that since Monday, the market has been in upward trajectory owing to China central bank accumulation of precious metal. We have seen that the price of gold will not go down. Now, no matter how the market runs, there's always a structure in 15 minutes that will give you a clue in the sell or in the buy. It doesn't matter how it runs. So this is your sell confirmation. You want a breakout from this structure. You want an outright breakout from this structure to have a sell. If price does not break out from here, forget about it, because the market is moving in upward trend. And shortly after that, market broke out from here, retested sell. We had a retest here, sell. Let's get back. After that, we had a after that break of structure, price retested sell again. So what we might likely have is another upward move on the same broken out ascending trend, and the market might start dropping from there. Or the next thing you're going to see is a price get back on the trend line, a return back into the trend line. We further push price again into 3,471. This is the upward trend. So if price gets back into this trend, then it becomes an automatic. This is a trend move, right? The last time it came to the trend, it tried to buy and got stopped by structure. It didn't stop on its own. There is a structure here. There is a break of structure. That bearish drop that peaked liquidity from the supply roof broke a demand floor. So it retested it. That was why this buy at this level didn't cross here. Ordinarily, they would have loved to cross here. But when they saw the structure, they had to change it to sell. They changed it to sell. So it remains a litmus test for us that if it returns here, there is a probability that it will be on double confluence, 15-minute ascending trend line, 15 minutes descend. But they are both ascending trend line, black ascending trend line and red ascending trend line. And if price comes here, it might want to drop from there. So the market already set up a bearish signal from breaking out from the trend line. But instead of it to sell completely, it came here, bought. And that structure it has created was what gave birth to the final demand, which is pushing price again from 3,369 level. It's following 15-minute trend line. But let us also see that on 15 minutes, we have a descending trend line from here. So we also want to see a breakout of that 15-minute trend line, showing that buyers are still intact. If they cannot break common 15-minute trend line, then they will have no choice other than to test the floor again. And if they test the floor again, they may break out from there. If they test it again, they are going to break out from there. So let me get all these things off because it's spoiling my chart. So this is 15-minute analysis. It's called the scalper strategy. The scalper strategy is based on 15-minute price movement, but you need to be very, very careful while doing so. You need to be very, very careful while using 15-minute chart. But one thing for sure is that if you're a 15-minute scalper, you can never be wrong if you're a professional 15-minute scalper. Because one 15-minute candle might be your target, and once you get that, you leave. Look at the buy from here, a buy from this level. After break of structure, price came back and retested it. And look at what that 15-minute did there. A significant move in the market. So I think what we see here is if price respects that roof, then so be it.